Over the last couple days, I've been sneaking these saws in one at a time so the wife doesn't get clued into what I'm doing. In the last video, we got this MS180 and a few other saws out of my storage shed, maybe a few too many. But I got to thinking, I want to see if this 180C will pop off, if I can cut a log with it before I put it in line in the studio. I'll be right back. The first thing I'm going to do is just make sure everything's here. No air filter. Trigger works. Choke and half choke work. Muffler's present. So let's go ahead and do a compression test to make sure the thing's not cooked already. The no air filter thing kind of scares me. Let's see. I don't want to hear anybody say anything about me getting dirt in this engine by doing this outside without washing it. I hear you typing. Make sure I reset it so we get an accurate reading. I'm going to give it 10 good pulls and we'll see what the gauge says. Okay, we're less than 120 pounds of compression, which is low, but let's go ahead and see if we can get it to start. Let's get this out of the way. Put our plug back in, and actually this is the correct plug. It's a NGK BP MR7A. You can check spark without using one of these. This is by far the easiest. Yeah, it's overcast out here, but it's just hard to see it. We do have spark. The daylight is burning really fast, so I'm gonna dump this gas out and put some fresh gas in it, and let's see if it'll go. Ooh wee, oh man. Oh, that's bad. That's terrible. Little fresh go-go juice. I know there's a lot of dirty gas in there, but we're not worried about that right now. I'll take care of all that later when I restore the saw. I just wanna see if it will run somewhat. Oh, I filled it up. I didn't realize I was putting that much in there. Oh well. All right, and some bar oil. All right, that's enough of that. It's getting dark really fast. I'm trying to hurry. All right, I'm gonna see if it'll pop off and we'll see where we're at with this old saw. I don't have a lot of hope because that compression's so low, but let's see. And it's almost dark. That chain's as dull as a butter knife, and we have no air filter, so I think we need to stop here, although it really doesn't matter because I plan to rebuild the whole thing. I'm actually surprised. You will see this MS180C in an upcoming video, but thanks for hanging out with me today. I don't even know why I made this video. I just thought it might be fun. I don't think she saw me. Thanks for watching.